Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today in this video I will be showing you how to send disappearing photos in Telegram using secret chat feature. In this guide we will walk you through the steps to send a photo that disappears after a set of time. So let's get into the video. So the first step that I want you to take is open your Telegram device and navigate to the chat where you want to send the disappearing photo. After that, open your gallery and choose any one of the photos that you would like to send. Then on the bottom right, you can there see a arrow like icon. Keep holding on it. Then you will get an option to send with timer. Tap on that and then set the duration. Here, as you can see, I have sent it with the duration of 5 seconds. This means that if the receiver does not see my video within 5 seconds, video will disappear on its own. And there you go. This is how you send a disappearing message in Telegram. I hope you find this video useful. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel and also drop a comment down below. Thank you for watching.